Do you feel confused about how to explore your own kinks? Like, I want to be submissive, but what does it even look like? I have these fantasies, but I'm not quite sure what this means or like how to put that. Great, perfect. I've got a trick for you. This is a mind map. So what's going to happen is you're going to take a piece of paper and you're going to put a little circle in the middle and you're going to put what it is that you're wishing to explore. So this is my mind map where I was exploring my own submission. From there, you're going to draw a line, and the first thing that pops into your mind, you're going to be like, okay, so let's talk about touch. What kind of touch do I want as a submissive? This is just what came out of my mind. And then you take and create like spider webs off of it of sort of things that just pop into your mind. Okay, well that makes me think of different roles. So then I take another bubble and I put a roll on it, and then I just spider web off of that, and then that shoots over to like, whoa, I have a whole fantasy about being young. What does this mean? Adorable, externalized, brat, fluid. Oh my God, that makes me think of blah, 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 blah. Whoa. Until you create this beautiful map of everything that is a dump out of your mind around that specific topic. Babes, the goal here is to do the very first thing that comes to your mind. If you're hesitant, if you feel overwhelmed, if you're thinking too much, stop. Just stop and just literally write. Whatever flows or vomits out of your pen, just go for it. You got this. I believe in you.